Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Today I've got a really fun Grabie subscription scrapbooking box to share with you. I haven't actually opened all of the items inside, so I'm super excited to do that with you guys. First, a couple of things. Let's take notice of this awesome box. This is so cute. Who wouldn't want to get this in the mail? I do have a link to the product, so the whole box is a subscription in the description box below. You can click on that by getting to, or you can get to that by clicking on more. And there you will find a 15% off discount code. It is case sensitive, so make sure you type it in exactly if you would like to get this fun box. There is a link directly to their website, and you can also get this on Amazon. If you're getting it on Amazon, please note you'll only be able to get the future boxes and not either the current one or any past boxes there, but you can get more options on their website directly. So definitely go check it out after checking out this video. Use my code, save yourself 15%. But most importantly, let's open this box and see what kind of fun items are in here. I have to say, this colorful box just absolutely made my day when it arrived. And look how beautiful it is. It says, "May the art be with you." I love that. And this is July's box. So when you order in July, you'll actually be getting August box. When you order in August, you'll actually be getting September's box. So they're a little bit behind, but I think on their website, like I said, you can get to past ones and enjoy them that way. So no matter if you're getting this one or you're getting a future one, you will love everything that is in here, I am sure. I'm so excited to open this up. I love that they've taken the time to, put the tissue paper and have all the fun stickers. I am a sucker for cute packaging. So let's open it up and see what we've got going. Trying not to rip it. All right, some really fun tissue paper. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness, look at all this goodness in here. Vintage archive room. Oh, here's a sticker. There is a sticker. That is so fun. I love it. I love the bright colors. All right, vintage archive room. So this is like a book where you can tear out all kinds of good paper pieces for your junk journaling or card making or scrapbooking. Are these stickers? I can't tell. Let's see. Wow, look at all these that you get in here. Holy smokes. They are stickers, so you don't have to fussy cut. Oh, bless them. I am so not good at fussy cutting, and this just made my day. Oh my goodness. There's mushrooms and butterflies. Ooh, and fruit. How fun is this? I need to make a fruit journal here pretty soon, so this will come in just perfect timing. Oh, I could sit and look at this all day. Ooh, look at these beautiful scissors. Oh my goodness, those are perfect fussy cutting scissors, although with that sticker book, you don't have to fussy cut. Ooh, I love those. They come with a little tip protector because they are super sharp. What do we have here? Looks like a little roll of some kind of washi tape or snippet strip. Let's see. I like that they put the little arrow telling me where to open it. If you are visually impaired, trying to find the ends of things can really be tough. Let's see. I should use those new little snips. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, they're like rose petals almost. Oh, how pretty is that? And you just can pull them off and put them on one little piece at a time. I love that. All right. I haven't seen those before, so that's pretty cool. It's like a new way to do washi tape. And what is this? This is a little tape runner, so it's glue tape. Love it. I've got the sticky stuff all over my finger now. tape that won't let go. There we go. Okay, and then we've got some jute ribbon, 10 meters. Let's look at this paper. Oh my goodness, there's just so much fun stuff in here. I think I would be in heaven if I got one of these boxes every single month. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how pretty. It says memories. Now this is a fairly thin paper, but that can be really nice when you're making a junk journal because things can really quickly get bulky. So this is nice. You could layer this on or do some collaging, make some beautiful ephemera or cards. Oh my goodness, I love this. Perfect to fill in if you are working on a floral or nature book. Butterflies. Butterflies always go with junk journals. I don't know what it is, but they always go. There's always room for one, and I love that everything comes in its own little wrapping or bag or whatever it is. I will definitely use this glassine bag too. And what are these? It's got a cute little bow. Let's see. How do I get it out? Pressure is always on when you're opening things on camera. I don't know what it is, but... All right, let's see here. Cute little box. This would even make a fun little journal. These are all kinds of stickers. Oh my goodness. And to think this box has been sitting on my table for a little while now. I haven't gotten around to making a video. What a treasure I've been missing out on. Oh my goodness. Look at these. They're like vellum stickers. I think they're stickers. Oh, so cool. Oh, I love that one. Oh, these will be perfect to fill in on just about any junk journal, really. Lots of fun. Ephemera making to be had here for sure. Or you can just layer these in with some of your snippets. Yes. Oh, there's a rabbit. The white rabbit. Some fun animals. Oh. Wow, you definitely get a lot of goodies in here. I could just keep looking and looking and looking for hours. Ooh, look at that palm tree. So pretty. Sample only. Oh, there's more birds and little animals. Owls. And I'm sure each month is a different assortment of things. So, you know, if you get this subscription, you will definitely have all kinds of goodies. So perfect for somebody who's maybe just started in junk journaling because you'll be able to get all kinds of goodies to build your collection. And or scrapbooker, or maybe you've been junk journaling for a while like I have, and you are still just enamored by all of these beautiful things. Okay, I just lost one. There we go. And I like how everything has its own little packaging, so you can kind of stay organized if you need to. You could store all of this in this neat little pretty box that it comes in. Oh, look at this. This says they are the Grabie Scrapbooking Club, and this is all stickers. Oh my gosh, I love this. All right, let's open this up. Let's get in here. I also like that it tells you where you got it from by putting, I mean, it's kind of hindering my getting into it right at the moment, but it tells you where it came from. So if you are trying to figure out, you know, where these stickers came from, you'll know that they came from the Grabie Scrapbooking Club. All right, I've got to cheat and just scissor away here so I can get in there. Ah, there we go. Oh my gosh, let's look at this gold. Oh, it's like holographic or something. Oh, they're so cool. Look at those. Wow. look at that shine and shimmer. Absolutely love that. Very fun. These are pretty. Got some birds. Ooh, I love those cardinals. This would go really well with the Birds of Paradise book I just finished. Ooh, look at all the dragonflies. My friend would love some of those. All things have spirit. This is like all kinds of fruit. What an amazing assortment of stickers. All right, now there's one more envelope down there. I don't know if it's just an envelope to hold everything in, or if it has yet even more goodies in there, but we are to the bottom of the box. Oh no, there's something in there. I love these little envelopes. I purchased these online in an array of sizes. I store my stamps in them, my clear stamps, my thin cut dies in them, and then I get the bigger ones and I store my printable collections when I print out things to work on a book or something. So then I just have these, I kind of have them all over if I'm being fully honest, but they are wonderful to hold everything together. Oh, this is more paper. This is a wonderful paper pad. Oh, and it's got, it's like embossed vellum on there. Oh, look at that. So pretty. These are all vellums. And then these ones are kind of foils. So pretty. Look at that one. And then even more paper back here. Oh, these must be some, oh, we're gonna look at those. Those must be some die cuts. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of Christmas, even though we're in July. And I know they're not doing Christmas in July, but it is nature. Look at that. So you could use it for whatever. I love how some of the outlining has this gold on it. Oh, there's a hair. Oh, look at those butterflies. And then you've got some that aren't on the vellum. So if you just like the design on paper, beautiful. Be your own kind of beautiful. That is wonderful. I love that. This will go really well in a steampunk journal. I need to set that aside and put it in my steampunk journal. Oh, how fun. These are absolutely gorgeous. Now you get this vellum envelope. So of course, don't throw away these little envelopes and things that all of your goodies come in, because you can definitely use those too. Oh, these are die cuts. How beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Some really beautiful flowers. So if you don't have a die cut machine or don't like to die cut or whatever it is, you can also purchase them. And in this huge kit, it is a wonderful accessory to have at your disposal. You can ink them, paint them, all kinds of things, and use the envelope. And make yourself some beautiful mini albums, scrapbook pages, whatever you want to do, or even junk journal. And I love that this, it all comes together just like this. So everything is in its own nice little packaging here. So many things. There's paper and stickers and die cuts, more stickers, vellum stickers. This is smaller paper. Again, we had this really fun washi that you can peel off. It looks like flower petals. Some glue tape here, a pair of scissors, and then this really awesome sticker book. I haven't ever gotten one of these sticker books like this, so I am super excited to use it. And I'm sure you'll be seeing a few of these things pop up in some of my next upcoming projects. So stay tuned and check out, again, all of the details for this wonderful Grabie subscription box in the description below by clicking on more. And I do have the link and all of the things. I'm not affiliated with them, but I did get this box sent to me in exchange for doing the video here, and wow, what an awesome exchange, because I think I'm definitely going to check into the subscription for myself, because like I said, it's really cool to have all of these things, especially if you're somebody like me who's not much of a fussy cutter, or maybe you don't feel like you have access to all of the cool old vintage things that, you know, some people are fussy cutting out. So you can just have it all right here and organized by theme, and then it all just folds up in this beautiful little box for ease of storage and ability to find it next time when you're ready to craft. So how awesome is this, you guys? I hope you have enjoyed opening it with me. Again, this is the July Grabie scrapbook subscription box, and we'll just leave it with her with this little fun quote that they put on the inside of the box. May the art be with you. I absolutely love that. I love how artistic and bright the box is. It just screams fun from the moment it says hello as it arrives at your house in your mailbox. So let me know if you get one in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite things were. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. And I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching.